Every time I go down to Sri Lanka for holidays, there's one thing I would miss: Sri Lankan pan roll. Let's make some today. Most common main ingredient for this is fish, but today I'm gonna make it with a bit of a twist. I'm gonna use some chicken. I know thighs are better than breast for some of you, but for this one I'm gonna use breast. Let's clean some. You can definitely use the tendies, no need to throw it away. I'm just trying to get rid of the fatty piece. Wouldn't do any harm anyway. And also I just want to keep the piece in whole. Don't want it to lose any juice. While I'm poaching my chicken, I'm gonna boil some eggs. These both gonna go in your filling. Bit of turmeric only in the chicken, and also a bit of salt. While that is cooking, let's get cracking for the next step. Let's go get some curry leaves. Some nice curry leaves. That should be enough. We have a curry leaf, and I got some onion, ginger garlic, which I'm not gonna chop but make a paste, some cinnamon, pandan leaves, and chili. If you wanna find out how to chop your chili faster, go to my Valentine's video. In that one, I have shown you how to chop chili faster. My choppy choppies are done, eggs are ready. I'm gonna strain and peel my eggs. For this roll, eggs has to be fully cooked. Runny yolks or half boiled wouldn't work. My chicken is ready. I'm gonna strain it and shred it, but I'm not gonna do it straight away. I'm gonna let it rest for a couple of minutes or cool down. While my chicken is resting, I'm gonna make the batter for the crepe. I don't know how else to explain that one. You need a sort of a thin crepe to put the stuff in and roll it. So I'm gonna start with that one. You need all-purpose flour, bit of salt, just a pinch of turmeric, and some water. This doesn't have to be too runny. It shouldn't be too thick. Looks like it's ready. And if you think you get a bit of lumps in the mix, it's okay for you to strain it. That's what I'm looking for. Not too thick, not too thin. Alright, let's start cooking this one. You don't necessarily need an oil spray if you're using a non-stick, but just to be safe, just gonna spray a bit. Cook this on low fire so you wouldn't get any color. My chicken's cooked. I checked it, and also it's time to shred. If you like big bites, you can shred it a bit bigger, but I like it to be a bit smaller. Most of my preps are done now, so I'm gonna start making the filling. Something deep, something you have space. Lid. I am going to be using coconut oil for this one. That's what we use in Sri Lanka most of the time when we cook. In goes my cardamom, mustard seeds, curry leaves, cinnamon, ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add my onion and chili. Let's add the chicken. I turn the stove off for a minute until I get this one in. It's a bit of turmeric, raw curry powder, toasted curry powder, ground chili, chili flakes, and I'm gonna add my leeks as well. Just give it a mix. Got all my spices in. I'm gonna turn the stove back on. If you think it's gonna stick to the bottom of the pan, you can add just a little water. Time to season. Bit of salt, pepper, Gonna turn my stove off. I have potato mash. You can leave a bit of chunks, but I would like it to be smooth. So you use a masher, potato ricer if you call it. Don't forget to check your seasoning again. Once you add the potatoes, it's gonna absorb a lot of salt that you put in. This is ready. I'm not gonna get on with the next step straight away. I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. Let it cool down a bit and I'm gonna start with the next step. Let's get on with the final steps. I made this batter from all-purpose flour. This is kind of the same batter that I used for this one, but a bit more runnier. I'll tell you why on my final steps. Let's crumb some Sri Lankan pan rolls. I have my batter, which is very runny, and I got fine breadcrumb. My oil is sitting at 180 now, which is perfect. I'm gonna carefully drop this one. Golden. There you have your beautiful Sri Lankan pan rolls. I can't wait to taste it. First, I'm going to cut it in half, show you the cross section. Just the way I expected. Also goes well with tomato sauce. Wow. If you like the video, please subscribe. It's gonna help me heaps, and I'll see you next week with another beautiful video. Also, don't forget to put a comment. You call these egg rolls or pan rolls. See you next week.